Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gate Engineering online learning classes. This is the video regarding digital electronics, and in this video we will talk about subtractions in binary number system with the help of complement. So the case of subtraction using 2's complement. So we should know what is 2's complement, how to find the 2's complement, what is the procedure of subtraction. If we have given number, one is the m, another number is n, we want to subtract n from m. So there may be two cases. Case 1 if m greater than n, case 2 if m less than n. Here in the case 1, when m is greater than n, number will be positive. The subtraction result will be positive. If m is less than n, the subtraction result will be negative. So let me discuss about the first case where m is greater than n. So this is our m, this is our n. So here we can see a number is given 101111 in the binary, and we have given another number 100110 in binary, which is n. So how we can check which is the number greater, which is the number smaller? We can easily identify by converting the number in decimal, and I have already uploaded one video on binary to decimal conversion that you can go through that video and you can understand what is the how to find the decimal number. So here in this case, we can see 101111. This number is given in the binary, which is equivalent to 47 in the decimal. So it can be calculated by the concept of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. So this is the weights. These are the weights of individual bits. So 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is representing the 47. Similarly here, this number n, which is 32 plus 4 plus 2. So it is 38. So we are subtracting 38 from the 47 in this case, and we will see with the help of 2's complement. So procedure is step 1. I will write the step 1. What is the step 1 for solving this? In the step 1, we'll take the 2's complement of n. So we'll write the subtraction with the help of m plus 2's complement of 2's complement of n. It means we need to take the 2's complement of 100,110. So here n is 100,110. So 2's complement of 100,110 is nothing but 1's complement of 100,110 plus 1, and which is equal to 0,11,001 plus 1, and this number is equal to 0,11,010. So this is the 2's complement of 100,110. So in the first step, we need to add this number with m, which is 10,1111. So step 1, m plus 2's complement of n. So m is 10,1111 plus 2's complement of n is 0,11,010. 0,11,010. If we add these two numbers, we are getting 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0, sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is sum is 1, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is sum is 0, carry is 1. So this is the result. So m plus 2's complement of n is 100,101, and here we have a carry. Overall carry is generated. How can we identify this is the carry? We can see m was given in the 6 bit, n is also in the 6 bit, but here we have result in the 7 bit. So extra bit is added, which is representing to the carry of the addition m plus 2's complement of n. But step 2 states that we need to discard the carry. Discard the carry. Discard the carry. Then final result will be 0,0,1,0,0,1. So this is the number which is coming from m minus n. So this is the case. when m is greater than n. So step 1, first take the 2's complement of n, then add the number with the m, and then discard the carry, and then result will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So how we can verify this result? For verifying this result, we have m, which is 47, we have already seen. M is 47 that we have already seen, and n is 38. So our result should be 47 minus 38. 47 minus 38 is 9. And here we can see this 1001 is nothing but the 9 in decimal. So in this example, what we have seen, just we quickly revise that. We have given two number m 101111 and 1001110. So we have to subtract the n from m. So procedure is first step m plus 2's complement of n. So 2's complement of n is nothing but 1's complement of n plus 1. And 2's complement of given number is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. And if we add this number is in binary. If we add this number with the m, we are getting a result as 100, 1, 0, 1. So carry is generated. Always carry will generate if m is greater than n. That carry we need to discard. So carry is discarded here, and final result is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 in binary. Now we'll see the another case of where m is less than n. If m is less than n, obviously result will be negative because we are subtracting n from m. So here m is 100, n is 110000. So this is nothing but the 4 in decimal, and this is 48 in the decimal. So finally, if we subtract 48 from 4, we will get minus 44 in decimal. Let me verify and let me solve this problem with the help of 2's complement. So what is the procedure? Step 1 is always same, that is m plus 2's complement of n. 2's complement of n. So this is m, this is n. So 2's complement of 110000 is equal to 010000. For better detail about the 2's complement, you can go to the my another video. That link is also given with this video as a V card. So this is the 2's complement of 110000. Now next step is to add this number 2's complement of n with m, which is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 plus 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. If we solve it, we are getting 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and this is the result in binary, that is m plus 2's complement of m. And step 2, we can see the carry is not generated. Always remember, if carry is generating, it means m is greater than n. If carry is not generating, it means m is less than n. So in this case, carry is not generated. N was given in the 6th weight, and here our result m plus 2's complement of n is also in the 6th weight. We don't have an extra carry. Therefore, this is case when m is less than n. If m is less than n, we'll take the 2's complement of sum with a negative sign. We'll take 2's complement of sum with a negative sign. With a negative sign in front. What does it mean? It means we need to take the 2's complement of the result, 2's complement of sum of m plus 2's complement of n. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So we need to take the 2's complement of 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. If we take the 2's complement of this, we'll get 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. And we need to place the negative sign in front of it. So finally, we got a number which is minus 101100. So we have done the subtraction on 110000 from 100. So we have done the case 110000 from 100, and result is minus 101100. We can verify this is the 4 in decimal, this is the 48 in decimal, and here if we see we can get 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. So 32 is 1, 8 is 1, 4 is 1. So overall here we are getting a result 32 plus 8 is 40 plus 4 is 44. This is the result in decimal with negative sign. So it indicating that this result is the correct. 101100 in binary is the subtraction result of 110000 from 100. So this is the case when m is less than n. So what we did in the second case? In the second case, first we take the 2's complement of n, then we added the number with the m, and we got some sum result. And in this sum results, carry is not generated. Therefore, we need to take the 2's complement of this sum and we'll place the negative sign in front of that because our result will be negative. And here we are getting a number minus 101100 as a negative sign. So this is the result of m minus n when m is less than n. And we have verified with 4 minus 48 is nothing but minus 44. That is satisfying to this result. I hope you got the clarity about the subtraction using 2's complement. In the next video, we will see the subtractions using 1's complement. In the both the cases, case 1 is m greater than n and case 2 is m less than n. Thank you.